Hi everyone. Today we're talking about perennials with burgundy foliage. So I have a great list for you of some perennials with some really stunning burgundy foliage, which I love to add to the gardens because they really make the green pop, right? So they're a great backdrop for some really colorful flowers, or we're used to seeing some green leaves or even variegated leaves, and the burgundy looks really super in the mix. So these go great as a mass planting, a focal point, a mixed border, cottage garden, you name it, there's always a place for some burgundy foliage. Now, the big plus to this interesting foliage is it will give you season-long appeal. So sometimes we get a little disappointed with perennial flowers because some of them aren't very long lasting. However, the foliage is going to stand out from spring, summer, right through fall and give you some added interest and bang for your buck. So also great on the budget when you're looking for some interesting plants to add to your garden. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this one here. The flowers have passed, but I do have some other penstemon. That's what this plant here is flowering. I want to show you how gorgeous it is. I did a full-length video on it because I'm always so impressed with this beautiful perennial here. And let me give you the list of some other great options of plants with burgundy foliage.